Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode of tier listing every single My Hero Ultra Rumble character. So today everyone, we have Tenya Iida. Now for starters, we're going to be talking about his alpha. Now his alpha is basically this little spinning wheel where you see it's going to do 60 damage. And actually, if you want to use all three of them, you can connect each and every single one of them doing 60 damage each time, and then he'll get knocked down. Now, the next thing we're going to be talking about is Iida's beta. Now, Iida's beta is also pretty simple. It's just going to be this giant kick, which you see is going to fly forward, doing about 140 damage. Now, the very last thing of Iida's kit is his gamma. So you're going to see he's going to pop his gamma. He's going to go super fast, where he's able to run in all of his abilities, and pretty much everything is going to be way faster. And also, while you're in his gamma, if you press the gamma again, you're going to see you're going to do this little flip so that you can kind of reposition yourself. So I know if you're doing in the air or anything like that, you can do some pretty crazy movement tech with this as well. Now, if you see with this gamma as well, after you're done using all of it, you're going to go into this little bit of a state where you're completely burnt out and you're way slower and you can't do any of your moves. Now, I believe the more that you level it up, the shorter the amount of time it takes. Something with Iida that I honestly genuinely think cannot be ignored is also his air melee. So his air melee is basically going to fling him forward and can be used for a lot of different combos. So I know you can go alpha, air melee, and have some crazy tuning set up with that as well. And I truly do think that could do some insane damage. Now, another thing we got to talk about is special action. Now, special action is very similar to Deku. If somebody goes down, he's going to be able to pick them up. But he also has something really cool where he's absolutely able to run up walls. So if you see, he can pretty much run up genuinely any single surface. And if you've ever put wall runner on any of your tunings, that's pretty much where it comes from and how it works. Now, with all that being said, I truly do think Iida is one of the hardest characters to master. But if you are able to master him, I do think that he genuinely can put up a big fight against all these other characters, being that his combo game and his runaway potential after he gets those tags in can do some insane damage. And I think for that reason, we're going to put him in A tier. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section down below what you would change about this tier list and even what you think about it. If you would like to as well, come drop a follow over on Twitch. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you everybody for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.